Welcome to today's Echelon Experience, your daily headline news source. This is Kimberly Lee with your update for today. On Sunday, the FBI arrested another individual in connection with the January 14th incident in Minneapolis, where rioters vandalized and stole guns and equipment from an FBI vehicle. The individual allegedly used some of the stolen ID material in the vehicle to threaten a Minneapolis FBI agent and his family. In a statement, FBI Director Kash Patel said, "Threatening law enforcement will never be tolerated, nor will destroying and looting government property paid for by taxpayers." Director Patel has also opened an investigation into the newly uncovered Signal chat, where agitators and top-level leaders within the political infrastructure of Minnesota have been identified, coordinating attacks on federal agents and doxing their locations. Director Patel said, "We immediately opened an investigation into the Signal chat being coordinated with individuals, perhaps not just locally in Minnesota. If any break in the federal statute or a violation is uncovered, we are going to arrest people. You cannot create a scenario that illegally entraps and puts law enforcement in harm's way." And that'll do it for today's Echelon Experience. Join us on the Montaga podcast for more every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Rumble. See you then.